Dearly beloved, we gather here today to talk about glass, stained glass that is, or rather, how you can make a super cool stained glass effect in Affinity Photo. We're going to start by opening up a JPEG image of a piece of textured glass. I'm going to use this to create a custom style. I'm going to make sure the glass is selected and then click on the FX button at the bottom of the Layers panel. I'll click on Outline and put a nice black border around the image. About 10 pixels should do. To create a style, we first need to go to the Layers menu item and scroll down to select Convert to Curves. It won't work without this step. I'll then go to the Styles panel, which is to the right of the Layers panel, and click on the three little lines to the right. Then select Add Style from Selection. To rename the style, right-click on it and change the name. Alright, I'll demonstrate how this works by making a triangle shape. Then, I'll just click on the Glass 2 style, and ta-da! The triangle is now made of green glass. Okay, let's clear the screen and get to work on that beautiful stained glass project I promised you. I'll go to the Artistic Text tool on the left panel and type a big letter G. With the G selected, I'll go to my styles and select the Glass 2 style I just created. Now I'll go to my Adjustments button at the bottom of the Layers panel and select Recolor. Then, I'll drag that recolor adjustment layer onto the layer with the G on it. Next, I'll duplicate it by clicking Command or Control J. Let me turn this into an L. If I click on the little arrow button by the L layer, I can see that the recolor adjustment was duplicated too. I can select it to change the L to a nice color of yellow. We'll keep duplicating the letters and changing their colors for the A, the S, and the S. I won't spell that out because this is a family channel. As I speed through the rest of the word, you can hit those like and/or subscribe buttons below. We would appreciate it. This is starting to come together nicely. Now, I'm going to select all the layers with the letters in them and group them together. Then, I'll click on the Add Pixel Layer button to create a new layer. I'm going to select the Rectangle Shape tool from the left panel and draw a nice rectangle over the letter G. With that shape selected, I'll go to the Style tab and click on my glass style. Next, I'll go to the Adjustments button and select Recolor. Let's drag this adjustment onto the shape layer and then use the sliders to color it purple. Great! Now we're going to make 4 more glass rectangles by duplicating and recoloring the one before them. I'll zip through this so as not to bore the class. You all are a pretty bright bunch, and I'm sure you're getting how it's done. Finally, I'll drag the group with the word glass on it to the top. Well, that's it for today. Thanks again for joining me. If you enjoyed today's content, please click those like and subscribe buttons below. Have a great day, everyone!